afternoon and welcome to the week ahead. Today we've got Eurogroup meetings in Brussels, very much in the spotlight the Greek debt issue and whether an agreement can be made. As a result, we've had the Greek stock market falling. Germany's Schäuble remaining unoptimistic in relation to finding some form of agreement. There's also the US bank holiday today, the US President's Day. Tomorrow we've got just after midnight the Aussie monetary policy meeting minutes, so it'll be interesting to see what the Central Bank of Australia comes out and says in relation to potential interest rates and some form of easing. We've also got ECOFIN meetings all day in the Eurozone. At 9:30 we've got GBP CPI year on year forecasted at 0.3% in relation to previous of 0.5%. At 10 o'clock in the morning we've got German economic sentiment followed by the Eurozone economic sentiment. Later on, Kiwi GDT price index previous 9.4%. We've also got, interestingly, the CHF SNB chairman Jordan speaking at 5 in the evening. Bear in mind, of course, it's only just been over a month after the Swiss National Bank removed the peg of the Swiss franc against the euro. In terms of actually companies reporting, we've got Monetize tomorrow and Intercontinental Hotels Group. On Wednesday, we've got the Japanese monetary policy statement, as well as a press conference coming out of the Bank of Japan. 9:30 in the morning, GBP average earnings index, as well as the official bank rate votes in relation to the interest rate of the Bank of England. We've got the GBP unemployment rate, so forecasted at 5.8% versus previous 5.8%, so looking to be unchanged there. At 1:30 in the afternoon, we've got the wholesale sales numbers coming out of Canada, anticipated month on month 0.4%, so that's forecasted in comparison to negative 0.3% previous. USD building permits as well, forecasted at 1.08 million in relation to previous 1.06 million. Housing starts 1.07 million, forecasted as opposed to previous 1.09 million. And then on top of that, we've got FOMC minutes that will be released at 7 o'clock this evening to watch out for. Sentiment in relation to interest rates, the labour market, and what the Fed is intending to do, or what they were discussing over the previous month, as well as later on in the evening, Japanese trade balance coming out just before midnight at 10 to 12. On Thursday, we've got a bank holiday in China, so watch out for that. 7 in the morning, Swissy trade balance 1.23 billion forecasted, as opposed to 1.52 billion previous, so expecting a drop off there. At 1:30 we've got unemployment claims coming out of America. 3 o'clock in the afternoon we've got the Philly Fed manufacturing index, and then at 4 in the afternoon crude oil inventory. So it'll be interesting to see over the previous week how many the number of barrels of oil held in inventory. Companies reporting on the Thursday will be Sports Direct International as well as Centrica. And then on Friday, 8 a.m. In the morning, we've got French flash manufacturing PMI, followed by half an hour later German flash manufacturing PMI, and then full Eurozone manufacturing PMI. At 9:30, GBP retail sales month on month, and public sector net borrowing. And then at 1:30 in the afternoon, 1:30 we've got Canadian core retail sales month on month, and then later on, quarter to 3, USD flash manufacturing PMI, Standard Life reporting on the Friday as well.